Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we will explore supermicrocomputer in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of December, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 12, 2024, our system has classified supermicrocomputer as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.88. Now let's explore the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock currently rests at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $43.44 may initially indicate a slowing rate of decline and could signal the first signs of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible decline of approximately 25.74% over the next 3 months, with a range of potential returns between -73.63% and -14.94%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a decline of around 25.25% over the next year, with potential returns ranging from -100% to 86.45%. This translates to a projected price range of $0 to $70.72 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer includes the headline, Supermicrocomputer stock upgraded to hold, accumulate. The price of supermicrocomputer stock experienced a decline of nearly 1% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 12th of December, 2024, dropping from $38.29 to $37.93. This marks a continuing downward trend as the stock has decreased for 3 consecutive days. Throughout the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 6.13%, reaching a low of $37.50 and a high of $39.80. Notably, the stock has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, yet remains up by 8.16% over the past 2 weeks. Following the downward trend, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally considered a positive indicator, as volume should align with price movements. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 40 million shares, with a total of 39 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.46 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $122.90, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the price sits at 69.14%, or $84.97, below the 52-week high of $122.90, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Supermicrocomputer, or SMCI, has experienced a remarkable turnaround, with the stock surging significantly from its lows in November 2024. Investors who sold during the downturn are likely reflecting on what could have been, as findings from a special committee indicated no evidence of fraud or misconduct, alleviating some fears of potential delisting from Nasdaq. However, corporate governance concerns were noted, suggesting there are still internal control issues that need addressing. The company is well positioned to capitalize on the ongoing artificial intelligence technology boom. SMCI specializes in high-performance servers and has seen explosive demand, particularly for graphics processing unit server solutions. This segment accounts for 70% of its revenue and aligns with the booming market for artificial intelligence technologies. Analysts have predicted considerable upside for the stock, with a consensus price target suggesting a potential increase of over 60% in the next year alone. The upcoming Nasdaq 100 reconstitution poses a risk. A potential removal could destabilize SMCI's stock further. However, if it remains listed, that could bolster investor confidence. Additionally, an extension granted by Nasdaq for filing delayed reports provides a reprieve, allowing time for management to restore credibility. In the long term, SMCI's price prediction shows robust growth, with projections of up to 3,319% increase by 2030, driven by industry trends in information technology services and artificial intelligence. Despite recent volatility, the company's efforts to expand production capacity and adapt to market demands appear to set the stage for a bright future, making it a stock worth watching as it navigates the current landscape. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a mixed grade with a hold action. On the same day, Citigroup rated SMCI with a reduced grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, Barclays gave SMCI an equal weight grade and a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Loop Capital Markets provided SMCI with a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. Earlier on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, Needham rated SMCI with a buy grade and an initialize action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Supermicro Computer stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro Computer. The Supermicro Computer stock currently indicates a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $41.11. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $33.02. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the short-term outlook. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, December 9th, 2024, resulting in a decline of 14.11% thus far. Further decreases are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume also decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands showed a buy signal 31 days ago. Short-term moving average signaled a sell 4 days ago. Long-term moving average signaled a buy 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average signaled a buy 16 days ago. Long-term moving average signaled a sell 107 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 131 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro Computer. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $33.15 and $33.07. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this case, Supermicrocomputer has support just below today's level at $33.15. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $33.07 and $29.11. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.30 between its high and low, which represents a change of 6.13%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 8.09%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicrocomputer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either low expectations for the company's future performance or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 27th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 75 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicrocomputer is at $40.21. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this might be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer's first support level is at $33.15. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 6th of December, 2024, Lutally C conducted an insider purchase of 860 shares of common stock. On the same date, Lutally C also conducted an insider sale of 860 shares of restricted stock units. On the 10th of November, 2024, Liuliang Chuchu Sarah made an insider purchase of 2,110 shares of common stock. On that same day, Liuliang Chuchu Sarah purchased an additional 2,360 shares of common stock. On the same date, Liuliang Chuchu Sarah also sold 1,135 shares of common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we found that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 19.598. In total, insiders have purchased 3,524,029 shares and sold 5,262,622 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $35.74, reflecting a decrease of 5.78%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. A sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer exhibits several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Currently, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to either hold their shares or accumulate more while watching for further developments. Our analysis has shifted from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate position since our last evaluation. Following an analysis of the volatility and trading movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 13th of December, We anticipate that Supermicrocomputer will open at 480 cents and commence trading at $38.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.